guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with a brand new unit from Sensational. This is from the Curls, Kinks & Co. Textured Lace Wig Kinky Edges collection. This one's in the style 13x6 Kinky Body Weight 14 inch and it's on the color number 2. This is for all curl types from 3B to 4C. It's going to be glueless and heat safe 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This one is going to be available in 7 special colors. So this is what these edges are looking like, honey. And as far as the cap construction, you are going to get that 13x6 HD lace parting space. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And it is going to come with an adjustable elastic band. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown and start tinting that lace out. And after I've tinted that lace, I'm just going to slap it on the wig head so you guys can get a real feel of what it's looking like. And honey, look at these curls, look at the style. This is giving very much glamour, very much dream girls. You can see the texture. This unit straight out of the box is looking beautiful. And look at these edges, honey. They're looking a little bit crazy, but I'm just going to go in and end up adding some heat to those bad boys. But I really like what I'm seeing so far. So right now I'm just going to go in and start cleaning up that parting space. I'm going to start off with the middle part before I start doing different styles to it. And I'm just going to kind of comb those edges back just so I can get a more realistic idea of how it's looking. So now I'm just going to pop this bad boy on my head, you guys. And honey, they said it was glueless. It is glueless. I haven't adjusted the adjustable elastic straps at all. I just popped this bad boy on my head as is and it's already fitting exactly how I want it to. I'm just adjusting the lace a little bit right here so I can get it sitting properly on my head. And already with nothing done, you guys, I was already feeling the melt on this one. I already knew that this one was going to be a hit for me because I really liked how it felt on my head. And I just really was liking what I was seeing straight off the bat without any work being done to it. Now I'm just cleaning up that parting space a little bit more. So now I'm just going to go in with my Femme Silkening Mist and start spraying that along the baby hairs just so I can start getting them combed back into the hairline. I like to do this before I add any heat. So now I'm just going to go in with my hot comb and start hot combing those baby hairs back into the hairline. And I didn't want to add too much heat because I didn't want to remove that 4C texture completely. I just wanted to get it kind of slicked back into the hairline to make it look even more realistic and not just crazy and bulky, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going to go in on the other side, adding that silkening mist, combing the hairs into the hairline, and then I'm going to go back in with the hot comb and just start feeding them into the hairline to just adhere them down. And as you guys can see, I'm not doing it too much because I don't want it to lose that texture fully. So now I'm just going to go in with my Esha Melt and Slay Spray, and I've been doing a different method when it comes to installing my wigs, and I feel like this is working great for me. I've been going in with a makeup sponge that also has my concealer on it, spraying the lace melt spray on it, and then going into the hairline and strategically kind of adhering that lace down. This kind of works as a 2-in-1 deal because not only am I adhering the lace down, it's also adding additional concealer on top, which is just kind of saving a step in the long run. I will have to go in and clean it up a little bit, just with a little concealer in the end, but this definitely makes the lay down process much easier. And I just really like the fact that this is more strategic versus kind of just spraying that spray and then using my rat tail comb to get the product where I want it. So now I'm just going in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's. This is eyeshadow and I'm going to use the color Yodit, just like I said, to clean up the lace just a little bit. As you can see, it doesn't really need it too much, but I'm just doing this because I know when I go outside, the lace may look a little bit lighter than it does on camera. So when I get that blend effortless on camera, then I know when I go outside in the natural light, I should be good to go. And now I'm just going to go in with my foaming mousse and just slide that into the hairline so I can get those baby hairs placed like I want them. And just combing them right back into the hairline. And now I'm just kind of using my finger to get those baby hairs popping out a little bit just so it can give more realistic. I didn't want it to be entirely slicked back, if that makes sense. I wanted it to look like a natural leave out, if that makes sense. I wanted it to look like maybe your edges have been sweated out a little bit, but that realistic look. Very effortless and realistic. The texture on this one, you guys, I have to say it is beautiful. When it comes to the Curls, Kinks, and Co collection, I have tried it in the past, and I feel like they absolutely stepped up their game when it comes to this texture. It feels 100% like this is my hair. They have definitely nailed it. It's definitely more realistic than their past Curl, Kinks, and Co collection, so I'm absolutely all here for it. My favorite thing about this has to be the fact that, like I said, it feels like I'm touching my real hair. The edges blend so well with my own. They really did nail that 3B to 4C baby hair texture that's going on in the front. The quality of the hair is beautiful. This is absolutely going to be beginner friendly. Just because, as you guys have seen, all that I really did was just slick those baby hairs into the hairline and just comb them in and then hot comb them in, and it was good to go. So if you're somebody who doesn't have a ridiculous amount of experience with wigs, I can absolutely see you being able to slay this one, no problem. You guys know that I'm always looking for a wig that's going to be minimal work, and I feel like this was absolutely it. The install was super effortless. The quality of the hair is beautiful. I can tell that the quality of the hair and the quality of the wig is going to be good if I'm able to effortlessly style it in a bunch of different options without really too much tension, not too many problems, and I definitely experienced that with this one. This was a super easy install. I was able to manipulate it and get a bunch of different styles going without doing a bunch of manipulation and work, so I'm absolutely here for it. I really like the length. Like I said, it's 14 inches. And as far as the density on this one, I feel like the density was perfectly executed. I feel like it can be hard to get the density right when it comes to shorter wigs just because it could start looking like helmet hair. It could start looking bulky and crazy. But this one, the density is sitting at like 150%. It's perfect. It just feels like very natural silk pressed hair. It still has that yucky texture. It's just very well put together. Like I said, it feels like I am running my hands in my own hair after I just flat ironed it out with some nice silkening serum. Like, it feels like very nice quality, healthy hair. I cannot believe that this is synthetic, you guys. They put their foot in this one. When I tell you, sensational, y'all, they really did their thing with this collection. And this is definitely going to be everyday hair approved. So if you're somebody who likes shorter, more natural hair, I feel like this one is absolutely going to be for you. I love this texture, you guys. The baby hairs are giving me life. The lace, yes, the fact that it was glueless, honey. So as far as the cap size in this one, I'm definitely going to say it's small and medium head friendly. If you do have a larger size head, I would just say stay on the side of caution. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and like I said, I didn't adjust those adjustable elastic straps or the adjustable elastic band at all, and it was fitting my head perfectly, and I was able to get this glueless install. So I think if your head's a little bit bigger than mine, I would just stay on the side of caution. It may fit your head a little bit tight. I think you could make it work, but that's just something to keep in mind, that my head is that size and this is the way that it's fitting me. And as you guys can see, I'm just going through in real time and showing you all these different styles that I was able to accomplish and how easy it was for me. I didn't have to go in and do any reapplying. I didn't have to go in and do anything other than what I already did. So I was easily able to just get it in various styles without needing to reapply the lace or anything like that. It was fitting super secure in my head. Y'all, I'm gonna have to say, I think Sensational may have stolen the game with this one. This collection may be the collection of the year, and you know that means a lot coming from me, especially because when it comes to Sensational, I stay coming at Sensationals next. You guys know that I am an outre girl all day, every day, but this collection may have changed my perception, may have changed my perspective, because what? I'm a little bit surprised. I guess that Sensational was the one that came out with this synthetic wig collection with the kinky edges, because I would have thought outre would have did it because she's that girl, but honey, they did it. I wasn't even dealing with the white lace cast. Like, Sensational, you are listening, honey. I knew immediately I wanted to try this wig when I saw the little clips coming out and the videos coming out. I was watching that cart, honey. I was watching wig types. I was watching Hair So Fly. I was like, I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it in every style you guys have it in, because I knew it was going to be a banger. And honey, when I tell you, this did not disappoint me. I'm so happy that it didn't. I thought that this was possibly going to end up being just one of those overhyped units, but when I tell you, honey, absolutely not. Absolutely not. If they keep coming out with units like this, let me tell you, just take my money. Just take my money. So when it comes to the cons and the pros of this unit, it's rare that I get a sensational unit and don't have any cons. Like, you know what I mean? When it comes to Outre, like, that tends to be the company that I really have any cons for. But for this, I have absolutely no cons, you guys. Honestly, this was money well spent. I would buy it again and again, and I'm not even a short hair girl. When it comes to the pros, the hair quality, yes. The texture, absolutely nailed it. The baby hairs, yes. The hairline, yes, I didn't do any plucking or anything like that. The way I was able to easily manipulate different styles. Like, when I tell you guys, run and grab this unit, run and grab every unit from their collection, I'm not playing, honey. This one is it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.